Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A53 and I'll show you the normal face unlock test and the faster face recognition test. So now I'll make 5 of tries to unlock the device with the normal face unlock, then I'll activate the faster recognition and I'll make 5 of tries to unlock the device with the faster recognition, and we'll see the difference between these 5 times with the help of the stopwatch. And now I'll show you that the faster recognition is turned off. Now you can see here that switcher is turned off, and now I'll make a first 5 tries to unlock the device. So I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Okay, that was 7 seconds. Okay, I just turn it off a little bit later. Says 8 and 9 sorry, 6 and 9, or just 7 seconds, or I just can do this again. So let's start again. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 and 6, 8, 6, 9 seconds. So that's good as a normal result to the normal face unlock for 5 tries. So don't forget that 6 and 8 seconds. And now I'll activate the faster recognition here. So as can you see, the switcher is turned on, and now I'm checking the position. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, 5 and 7 seconds, and that was 6 and 8, 5 and 7. Here we got the 1 and 1 second of difference here. So that's the normal difference between of them, and I see that the faster face recognition works really fastly than the normal, and that's a good result for the faster recognition. Always I got the result between the 6 and 6.5 seconds. So the 5 and 7, that's the really good result, and I suggest you to try the face unlock, the faster recognition method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.